Are you looking for a training course that helps you to understand all the benefits of an agile way of working and how you can ensure that it is fit for your purpose? If so, the Disciplined Agile Scrum Master Certification Training is an excellent option for you. This is a foundational course focusing on fundamental Agile and Lean principles. Although the name of the course has Scrum Master in it, don't let that be confusing. It's for team members and team-level Agile coaches alike. By attending this training, you will learn the benefits of Disciplined Agile and how its decision-based approach focuses on goals and outcomes versus a singular prescriptive framework. Organizations and teams in each organization have choices to select from, ensuring the approach will support their successful adoption of an agile way of working. Whether transitioning from a traditional waterfall-based approach to improving one that's based on the Scrum framework. No organization is the same, no team is the same. Come to this training to learn about your choices in choosing your agile way of working.